Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints.
Okay guys, I was telling you I was going to post or put up a little video of this dresser that I'm going to be working on. And excuse the workspace, this is where we kind of do some of our projects at. So you see the drawers are under here, and got a couple more up here. And then this is the dresser. It's not a huge dresser, which actually makes it perfect for what I want to use it for in my craft room. It's going to give me some storage space. And you know, it's got a couple of the smaller drawers that I can use for littler things, not super wide things, but these drawers are perfect for those like 12 by 12 like scrapbook paper holders that I'm going to be using. And then also I'm thinking the top of it, I can put my Cricut up here or little odds and ends. And I did show you guys the, hold on, I know the video is going to get a little weird while I try and open this back up. I did show you on the other video the stencil that I bought to like decorate this. And I think what I'm going to do on here is I'm obviously going to sand this down completely. I'm going to sand it down to the raw wood and stain it like a really dark, like an ebony, probably. I really like that ebony color in stain. And then I'm going to chalk paint it like white color that I ordered. It's by Rust-Oleum, I believe. I'll tell you all when I get it in a few days, but I think I'm gonna put the white linen or something like similar to that, and then I'm going to kind of, you know, use the edges that you know, stuff like that. I'm gonna make it a little more like sanded areas and stuff like that to give it a distressed kind of appearance. And I'm gonna order knobs for these. I'm gonna take off these little plain wooden knobs and put some different knobs on it. And then I think I'm going to use a dark gray chalk paint, and that's what I'm going to use to put this, you know, do the stencil. Sorry, this is getting stuck. So the dark gray I'll use on the stencil and kind of give it a little bit here, and I think on a couple of the drawers I'm gonna do stenciling, or you know, on these I'll do the smaller one or maybe some of the pattern. Not quite sure yet. I'm not 100% how I want to work it, but I was thinking of possibly doing one on this corner and then do it again opposite, and then thinking I'm going to use the stencil on some of the drawers right here. So those are kind of my plans. Oh, that's Roxy. Roxy, hi baby girl. Roxy's a good girl. She's a sweet girl. So kind of that's what I'm looking at. And this video won't be very long because I'm just showing you what I got going on in here. And there's Abby. Abby, hi honey. So that's kind of what I'm gonna do, and I'm excited to get this started and, you know, show you my progress as I get it done. Probably won't take me too long, just because it's not a huge dresser. The hardest part is going to be to sand all this down because it was spray painted, so it's going to take me a little bit. I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see it. You can see that there's a lot of marks and stuff, and I want to take the blue paint off of all those marks that are on here, but I don't want to necessarily sand it down. I like that kind of rustic stuff. Look at it. So yeah, so that's what I'm got going on with this little dresser that I was telling you guys about. Anyhow, as always, if you haven't already and you want to see more videos, think about subscribing and hit that bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video. Bye guys.